you ever wonder how to remove this page one watermark in Excel? It's super easy. As you can see right now, you have a third to the right button highlighted. All you have to do is hit this first button, the little grid marks, and voila, all gone. But what this, and I'll go back and I'll hit the third button again and I'll bring it back. But what this page one watermark is, it's really just showing you what your print area is. Um, so if I type in hello world and hit Control P, as you can see, the hello shows up, but the world does not. And then if I want to expand this print area, you go up here, go to page layout, hit set print area, and there you can go. You can see that print area was expanded. This is not to say if I go back to the normal screen that hello world would not be included. So if I control P here, you can see the hello world is still included in the print area. But what this feature does is really just distinguish what is in the print area and I guess help the user see what is in the print area with really clear boundaries. But yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to put them in the comments. Thanks.